Hello dear children, welcome to today's EVS class. Dear children, in the previous class, we started my neighborhood topic, isn't it children? In this topic, we learned about meaning of neighborhood and neighbors. Isn't it children? The area around our house is known as our neighborhood. Isn't it children? And the people who live our neighborhood place is known as our neighbors. Isn't it children? And we also learned about some neighborhood places. Isn't it? That is also called public places. The neighborhood places also called public places. Public places means the places that are open for everyone. That place is called public places, isn't it? We learned about school. Neighborhood places or public places are school and market. We already learned it. School is that place the children go to learn. You learn so many things in the school, isn't it? And market. Market is that place there is so many shops are existed there. It is very busy place. Market is a very busy place. We can purchase so many things from the market. Isn't it? There are so many shops in the market. So we purchase so many things from the market. Isn't it children? Okay children. Today we are going to learn some other public places. Okay. First we go to post office. Post office. There is also a post office in our neighborhood. Mother and I also go there to buy envelopes, stamps and postcards. Sometimes we go there to send parcel to my grandparents. The children, here the girl Ria is introduced their neighborhood places, isn't it? So she said there is also a post office in our neighborhood. We learned about post office. Got it children? Post office. In the post office children, we can buy envelopes, stamps, postcards and Indian letter. We can also send letter, parcels and some registered post to our friends, relatives through the post office. Got it children? We can also send money from the one place to another place by money order. In the post office we can send money from one place to another place by the money order through the post office children. We can also deposit our money in the post office like bank. Got it children? These are the uses of post office. Got it? Okay children. Now we go to library. My favorite place in the library close to my house. It has many books. People come here to read books and newspaper. We also borrow book from the library. The librarian helped me choose interesting books to read. The children, library is that place the books is available there. Library has many books. We can become a member of library and we can borrow many books to read. Got it children? People go there to read books and newspaper. People go to library to read books and newspaper. Got it? There is an librarian. In every library there is a librarian. He helps us to choose our interesting book. Got it? Reading is very good hobby. You know children, reading is very good hobby. So you all have reading hobby. Got it? Okay children. Now we go to park. My neighborhood looks pretty because of the park in it. Many people come to the park to walk and exercise. My friends and I go there to play. The gardener look after the park. We must not pluck flower or leaves in the park. We should not play or walk in the flower beds. The children, park make our city beautiful, isn't it, children? Park make our city beautiful. Many people go to park to relax, to walk and exercise, isn't it? Children go to park why? Children go to park to play, isn't it, children? There is so many outdoor games, swing, slides, isn't it? Children like to play in the park, isn't it, children? In the park there is a gardener, children. The gardener look after the park. Got it? The gardener look after the park. We must not pluck the flower and leaves in the park. Got it, children? We never pluck the leaves and flowers in the park. And we should not play or walk in the flower beds. There is a flower bed in the park, isn't it? We should not play or we should not walk in the flower beds because it becomes destroyed, isn't it? So it is our duty to we maintain clean and we keep beautiful our park, isn't it, children? Okay, next we go to place of worship. Place of worship. There is a temple, a mosque, a church and Gurudwara in my neighborhood. People go to this place to pray. The children, people go to play some places. That is called place of worship. Got it? Place of worship. Here is a different worship places. Temple, mosque, church and Gurudwara. The children, Hindu people go to temple to pray. Got it? Muslim people go to mosque to pray. And Christian people go to church to pray. And Sikh people go to Gurudwara to pray. The people get peace in these worship places. Got it, children? Okay, children, this is enough for today. I hope all of you understood it nicely. Okay, children, next class I will continue it. Okay.